Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to discuss independent and dependent variables related to relation and function. Always remember that the relation and function talks about quantities. So the first quantity is known as the independent variable, or what we call the independent input quantity. And then the dependent variable are known as the output quantity. On the next slide, we're going to have some examples that we would look for the independent and dependent variables. Let's have example number 1. Time spent in studying and test scores. In this manner, the time spent in studying is known as the independent variable, while the test scores is known to be the dependent variable. Let's have another example. The amount of sunlight and height of the plant. The amount of the sunlight is known as the independent variable. Height of the plant is known as a dependent variable. Let's have another example. The type of music and number of tasks completed. The type of music is the independent variable, while the task completed is a dependent variable. Thank you for watching this video, hoping you learned something about independent and dependent variable. Have a great day, everyone.